Hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Rob, this is Tinkerneering, and I've been trying out a gift idea for making quick and easy jigsaw coasters. Let me show you how. Using SketchUp, I'm starting with a clean slate, but you could easily reproduce this with a pencil and paper. What I'm aiming for is a coaster that's about 10 centimeters square, roughly 4 inches. So let's go ahead and make that shape. Each of the coasters will come together with keys and locks that are about 1 centimeter deep. So I'll add a box for those onto 2 of the sides. Then I move those into position. Next is the layout for the keys and locks. Each will be about 2 centimeters wide, coming up to 3 centimeters at its widest point. So I'll add reference boxes for those too. Then all I do is move them into place. And build up this layout grid. With the grid in place, I select the line tool and trace the outside edge of the jigsaw piece. Next, I create a group from the jigsaw piece and move it over to the side. A quick edit to the group removes those extra lines, and I'm left with the finished shape. And just to prove that they work, here are 4 copies which then fit into place. I've made a PDF that you can download from the website with this design on, and here's a copy I printed out on paper. To make the coasters, I picked up a piece of Tulipwood, or American poplar, from my local supplier, and cut this roughly to shape on the bandsaw. Then attached the jigsaw template using a glue stick. I took the piece back to the bandsaw and cut it to shape. Normally the guards would be a lot lower. The blade guards are raised just so you can see what's going on. With all the pieces cut, I cleaned up the edges on the belt sander. With all the pieces sanded, I can do a test to make sure that they fit. Now, to finish the coasters off, I give them a couple of coats of teak oil. Just apply a liberal amount and come back with a clean cloth and wipe off the excess. Here you can see just how much difference one coat makes. And here's how all 4 pieces look when they're finished. My local hobby store supplies these adhesive-backed cork sheets, which I'll use to stop the coasters marking any furniture. They come in 15cm wide sheets, so I divide those up into squares and stick them onto the back. So I now have 4 matching jigsaw coasters. These coasters work great individually, or you can join them together to make a larger trivet for a pan or serving tray. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.